Okay, welcome back everyone to CBD Yoga and Fitness. Today is day 11 of our 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge. Our mantra today is, I am enthusiastic. I am enthusiastic. So roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay guys, so just like yesterday, we're going to start off by doing some sun salutations, basically the same ones we did yesterday. So we're going to do 3 normal sun salutation A's, followed by 3 of those HIIT salutations that are more core focused. HIIT salutation 2s is what I like to call them. So when you're ready, let's come to the top of your mat, feet together or hip width distance apart. Take a moment here for yourself, close your eyes or keep them open and repeat out loud or to yourself, I am enthusiastic. What are you enthusiastic about? And when you're ready, we'll inhale, bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold, inhale halfway, exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin, inhale, baby cobra, elbows hug in, exhale, downward facing dog, breathe, pedal out the legs, wake up the hamstrings, wake up the calves. Already more than halfway done, great job everyone. So awesome. And on your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop or float. Inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin, elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Keeping the fingers spread wide, pushing into the palms of the hands. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. Let's do one more of these ones. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, lower down. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart, by your sides. So now we'll move into the HIIT salutation 2s. So let's inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to plank, and give me 10 mountain climbers. Lower down, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe here. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And let's do 10 high knees. Bring the feet back together. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. 10 mountain climbers. Lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe here. Feel that heart rate jump up a little bit, creating that intensity. I am enthusiastic. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, half. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart. Give me 10 high knees. Come back to center. Let's do one more. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back to plank. 10 mountain climbers. Keep your core engaged. Lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe here. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And 10 high knees. Get those knees up. Great job, everyone. So from now, we're going to keep that intensity going. So we're going to do 4 sets of squats, followed by reverse crunches. So it's going to get heated here. So we're going to do 30 squats followed by 30 reverse crunches. No break, followed by 25 squats, 25 reverse crunches. No break, followed by 20 and then 15. Okay, and then we're gonna break into some yoga poses after that. So here we go. So we're gonna do 30 squats, bring the feet as wide as the mat, and begin when you're ready. That's 10, 20 more. That's 20. Five more. Okay, make your way onto your back. Let's do 30 reverse crunches. Letting the hands rest down by your sides. Bringing the knees into the chest. And letting the toes tap. See, the people above me are loud. What goes around comes around. It's all good. I think that's 10, 20 more. Let's do 10 more. Last 2. Right back into the squats again. So let's do 25. Take a water break if you need it, and then jump right back in. It's 10, 15 more. 5 more. Make your way back onto your back. Let's do 25 reverse crunches. Whew. When you're ready, so keep your core engaged. This is a great abdominal workout for your lower abs. That's 10, give me 15 more. Huh. 20, 5 more, here we go, we got this. Make your way back up. Right away, let's do 20 squats. Let's do 5 more. Back on our backs. 20 reverse crunches. Here we go. Make sure to breathe. Let's do 10 more. Last one. Whew. My abs are burning. All right, guys, last set. So let's do 15. No breaks. Let's go. It's 10. 5 more. Let's do 30 more. I'm just joking. Let's go on our backs. 15, here we go. Ten, last 5. Finish strong. Great job, everyone. Let's roll over and come into an extended child's pose. Take a much needed rest. Maybe repeat the mantra again, I'm enthusiastic. What can you be enthusiastic about today? A little gratitude goes such a long way. From here, let's come into a high cobra, stretching out those abs, keeping the core slightly engaged. Looking one way, then the other. And from here, let's make our way to downward facing dog. From here, let's inhale, bring the right leg up. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, right knee to right nose. Inhale up. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the right foot forward. Lower the left knee down. Shoelaces down. Stacking the right knee over right ankle. And inhale, let's just rise up into a nice low lunge. Great stretch for the hips and the psoas muscle. Again, keeping the core slightly engaged. Breathe here. Exhale, paint the wall with your hands. Imagine that your hands are covered in paint. And then slide back into a nice runner stretch, keeping the right toes flexed towards you, really breathing into the back of the right leg, the right hamstring. Exhale, come forward. We'll take it back to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale up, exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up, exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale up, exhale, step the left foot forward, lower the right knee down, shoelaces down, stacking the left knee over left ankle. Keep the core slightly engaged. Inhale, rise up, nice low lunge. Coming back to your breath. Great work today, everyone. Dip those hands in imaginary paint and exhale. Paint the wall with your hands. Shift back into a nice runner stretch on this side. Keeping that left foot flexed towards you. Breathing in to the back of the left leg. Trying to keep your hips square. Option to use a block here if you have one. Such a nice stretch for the hammies. Exhale, come forward. I'll step it back, downward facing dog. And I think we can finish off with some down dog push-ups today, just for fun. Let's do 5, here we go. Great job, everyone. Lower the knees down to the mat. And keep your toes curled. We'll sit onto the heels in a nice little toe stand, stretching out the feet. We'll bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you so much for joining me today. Great job. Day 11 in the books. I will see you tomorrow for day 12. The light me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.